Good morning. Climatic conditions, differences between the two places, variation of land masses, distribution of rainfall. Rainfall of India is governed by the cold winds, pressure, upper air circulation of the air, western cyclonic distributions, etc. etc. In this, we have one more thing, that is Coriolis force. So, due to the Coriolis's force. Now, first we should understand what is Coriolis. So the Coriolis force. We should understand what is Coriolis force. So an apparent force caused by the Earth's rotation. As we have learned in our lower classes that the Earth rotates from west to east direction. The Coriolis force is responsible for deflecting wind towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This Coriolis force is also known as Farrell's law. As the word says, Farrell means a scientist proved this theory. The northeasterly wind are land bearing winds. Hence, they carry very little moisture, because when winds blow on the oceans and sea, they carry a lot of moisture, but on the land there is very less moisture and bring little or no rain in India. So whenever we have the southwest summer monsoon winds blowing from equator towards the north direction, that is after the summer, we have rainfall in India. During winter, a high pressure area is created in the north of the Himalayas, in summer a low pressure area develops over interior Asia. Interior Asia means when we talk about India, so we have low pressure in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, MP, Delhi side, Delhi, Haryana, and if you move towards north, then we say China, Mongolia, Russia, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan area. We have low pressure, and in the high, in the equator, we have a high pressure. So winds always blow from high pressure to low pressure. So wind starts moving from the equator towards the central Asia. A low pressure area towards our India has Asia, as well as over northwestern India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of winds during summer. Winds move from the high pressure area over the southern Indian Ocean crosses the equator and turn right towards the low pressure areas over the Indian subcontinent. These winds are known as the southwest monsoon winds, SWMW, southwest monsoon winds. An important component of the flow is the jet streams. Now, what are jet streams? So, we can say that jet stream are a narrow belt of high altitude. High altitude means up in the air, westerly winds that blow in the troposphere. Like you heard about the learned in the class 7th troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, exosphere, the layers of atmosphere. Their speed varies from about 110 kmph kilometer per hour in summer to about 184 kilometer per hour in winter. So speed in summer is whether when summer we have a lot of heat, the pressure is low, but in winter when the coldness increases, air comes down, it becomes cold, so it is dense, so its speed is high. A number a number of separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant are the mid latitude and the subtropical jet streams and the subtropical jet streams. They originate these jet streams. They originate from the Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean region. That is, you can say the Mediterranean Sea. It divides. It's a sea which separates Europe from Africa. So from this area, these winds are originated and are known as subtropical westerly jet streams streams, and easterly, as we say, it is originating from western, but it is easterly also, an easterly jet stream called the tropical jet stream blows over a peninsular India. Peninsular India means the southern part of India. Approximately over 14° north during the summer month. So they have a degree also, means you have learnt in that the earth is divided into latitudes 0 to 90° north and 0 to 90° south latitudes. This movement of water in the oceans is called currents. The current is not that electric current which you get in your electricity. It's a small narrow flow of water which moves in two directions, from equator towards the north pole or the south pole, or from the north pole to or south pole towards the equator. So they are known as hot current and cold current. So the wind, that is the stream, the flow, the narrow stream that is blowing from the equator towards the north pole or the south pole, is known as the hot current, and from cold area, that is Arctic Circle or Antarctic Circle, they are moving towards the equator, known as cold current.